Joel.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Rajesh Kumar.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Roja.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Vijay Kumar.
Which class are you studying in?
I am studying in UKG.
What is your school name?
My school name is Kidz.
Tell any one story in English with action.
Once a fox was very hungry. He searched for food. At last, he saw a bunch of grapes hanging from grapevine. Wow! Those grapes were probably
Look delicious.
delicious. And I am so hungry. So he jumped and jumped, but he could not reach the grapes. They were too hard. Fox was angry and went away. Good, and couldn't reach them.
Those grapes
Those grapes
were
were probably very so good and couldn't reach them.
Okay, say any two rhymes in English. Johnny, Johnny.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. ऊपर चंदर गोल गोल नीचे छतरी गोल गोल मम्मी का रोटी गोल गोल पापा को पैसा गोल गोल हम भी गोल तुम भी गोल सारे माँ गोल माता.
Tell the spellings of rhyming words. Sit.
S-I-T sit.
Kit.
K-I-T kit.
Pit. P-I.
P-I-T pit.
Fan.
S-I-T fan.
Van.
V-A-T van.
V-A-N.
V-A-N van.
Pan. P-A.
P-A-N pan.
Okay, good boy. Okay. Regarding the alphabets, okay? What is the spelling of apple?
A-P-P-L-E apple.
What is the spelling of cat?
C-A-T cat.
What is the spelling of fan?
F-A-T fan.
F-A-N.
S-A-N fan.
Fish? F-I? F-I?
F-I. Yes.
H.
H. Fish.
Okay. Jam spelling? What is the jam spelling?
J-A-M. Jam.
Pen spelling? What is this pen spelling?
P-I.
P-A-P-E-N pen.
P-N pen.
Okay. We are going to EVS, okay? What is this picture?
Carrot.
This one?
Brinjal.
This one?
Tomato. Lady finger. Cabbage. Onion. Potato.
This one?
Onion.
Okay, good boy. We are going to Telugu, okay? Ante?
Amma.
Ante?
Illu.
Ante?
Odata.
Ante?
Kappa.
Gante?
Time.
Gadiyaram.
Gadiyaram.
Chante?
Chati.
Chakram.
Chakramu.
Chante?
Chakramu.
Jante?
Jada.
Tante?
Mokam. Jada.
Tala.
Tala.
You do additions, okay? You take one finger. 8 after number.
9.
Okay, you write here 9 number. Keep it down. Take this. 8 plus 1 how much?
9.
Say loudly.
9.
Okay. 4 plus 4. You take 4 fingers. 4 after number.
5.
5 after number.
6.
6 after number.
7.
7 after number.
8.
4 plus 4.
5.
4 plus 4. 8.
8.
4 plus 4.
8.
4 plus 4.
8.
Okay. 2 plus 2. You take 2 fingers. 2 after number.
3.
3 after number.
4.
2 plus 2.
4.
Right here. 2 plus 2.
4.
Okay. You write Telugu. Ka letter right. You write Ka. Okay. Cha. Ja. Here write Ja letter. Good boy. Okay, here write Hindi. Ka. Hindi ka. Cha. Good boy. Okay. You say any 2 slokas in Sanskrit. Asatoma Satyam say. Keep. Say Asatoma Satyam. You don't know? Okay. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Brahma, Tasmai Shri
Gurave Namaha. Okay. Raghupati Raghava. You know, na?